Ecoflow Delta 2 unboxing. I have chosen this product because it's not that heavy, it's easy to carry in one hand. I would like to use it for my car office. Okay. Some promotion material, one box, all the cables. Charging from the grid and from the car. It came with 30% charge. And now it's charging. Around 18 minutes, like 21% more, and it's charging around 600 watts. After reaching 82%, it stopped. The fan stopped being noisy, and now it goes again, and the watts are growing. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe it was overheating, or it's charging at some difference with over 80%. I don't know. When I touch the screen a little bit without any real pressure, I'm just sliding down. So it's around one hour of charging, and it seems it needs still half an hour more. After 1 hour 15 minutes, it's charged from 31 to 97%. I don't need to charge to 100%. It's not really good for the battery, I think. This should do.